So go to File, Download, Web Page, click on that, and you'll get a zip file. If you open it, it's gonna look like this, and you basically get an HTML file and the media files with the images and all that fun stuff. If you want to get it published, you have another option. You have Share, Publish to Web. So it gets published as a, let's just do it as a web page, and you can get a link. You can share it. It looks just like a Google Doc. The only difference is that you don't have the tab bar, the sidebar. I mean, that bar at the top. Anyways, and you can even embed it if you want. Embed it. Yeah, you just put this anywhere on your website. It's gonna get a frame that will contain your Google Doc. It's not gonna be editable. It's gonna look exactly like this, like the HTML link. So yeah,